What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Oh yeah, the muscles. Gonna go over Turbo. Currently sitting at 0.042, up 7% on the day. Market cap 271 million. 24 volume 68 million. So if we hop into the chart, we are starting to get a nice little bounce. So potentially this is a wave one to the upside. Pull back to the 50% retracement and now looking to push up in the wave three. More confirmation with a break of the bullish level at 0.00455593. If that does happen, then you can push up in a beautiful wave three all the way up to 0.00064. And from the current price, that would be a nice push of about almost 50%. So if we zoom out to the daily on Turbo, basically we've gone through a complex correction in a wave two as we've been trading sideways. So if we can create that first 5-wave impulse off the low, we pull back, then we can see continuation to the upside, but we need to see those 5 waves up first. And then what we're looking for here, off the bear market low, beautiful wave one to the upside, wave two pullback, push up in a wave three. This target here is based off the Fibonacci, the 161.8, which would take you all the way up to 0.0199, basically 0.02 for Turbo in a wave three. So that's what we're looking for in the short term. What you want to see here for a bullish case is a break of that bullish level at 0.00455, because if we fail to do so, we roll over. That means that this correction is likely not over. So that would be the first strong bullish indication of continuation back to the upside. All right, gang, make sure to join my Discord for free, which includes my daily crypto analysis as well as Forex signals. Currently, we have almost 3,000 members in the Discord. New members are joining every single day. Make sure, almost 3,000. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. My subscribers only get 10% back on every single trade on their fees when you sign up through my link, top of the comments. Best exchange if you're in North America, you're looking to trade futures, in my opinion. All links down below. Smash that like button, subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.